For day 23, perpendicular lines, these are lines that intersect to form right angles. For the opposite reciprocals, number 2 product is -1, and as you can see right here, I gave you a couple examples, the -2 and the 1/2. And the idea is that if you were to multiply these two numbers together, you get -1. Okay, and then we'll practice that down here. So the big idea for perpendicular lines and their slopes is that their slopes are opposite, meaning their signs are positive, negative, reciprocals, which means the fraction has been flipped. Okay, so opposite reciprocals. So in letter A, I look to see I have 6. I can make it a fraction, and if I flip it, it's 1/6. And then this is positive and this is negative, so that these are opposite reciprocals, which makes them perpendicular. In part B, we have a 5, so I make it a fraction over 1 and 1/5, so these are flipped, but they're both positive. They have to be opposites, and they're not, so these are going to be neither. And then for C, we have 1/2 and -2, so I make this a fraction, and flipped, that is 1/2, this is negative, and this is positive, so we have opposite reciprocals, which makes them perpendicular. And then here we want to know what is the perpendicular slope to this equation. So here is my slope, 3 over 1. If I flip it, it becomes 1/3, and this is positive, so this becomes negative. And then in part B, we have -1/4, and so I flip it to be 4 over 1. And then because it's negative, it becomes positive, and then I can reduce that. So m equals 4.